Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis. This is the intraday for Bitcoin, and of course we're gonna see what happened today after our live stream today. And we mentioned that of course we are in a potential bull run here, and because of course we got an answer, we got of course an impulse, we took the high, and I mentioned that we are looking for higher of course, and this target has been eliminated. And of course a much better signal, and I mentioned as well that the higher we go, the higher the probability becomes, because we took the 886, meaning if you are in 1-2, the probability is very low right now for after this 886 has been hit and taken for a wave 2 is very low. And therefore, I'm looking here at a potential 1-2. We have a double 1-2 here, 3, 4, 5, a 4, and a 5 to finish a wave 3. I'm still expecting, guys, a wave 4 and a 5 towards the upside. So I'm gonna label this. I'm gonna remove potentially the 1-2, or we're gonna keep it. Just, I mean, the probability is still 10%, I would say. But basically, what we are looking at here is a 1-2, and we have a wave 3 just finished, and 4 and a 5. Your wave 3 is a 1-2, 1-2, wave 3 very short, and then 4 and a 5, a 4 and a 5 very extended, going fractal here. Your wave 5 is 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5. This wave 5 is of course already finished and gone. Potentially can be one more candle, can be of course on the 1 hour chart. But we are very close, of course, to an end for this impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. So by all means here, I'm looking after it for a correction. Now we got, of course, a wave 2, which is sideways. I believe that this wave 4 can be a little bit deep, so don't be afraid of it, of course. I mean, it might be sharp and aggressive a little bit. Your invalidation is very far. So basically, I'm gonna clean up also this area. No need for it anymore. Currently, we're looking at a simple impulse toward the upside, invalidation of bullish, very far still. I'm expecting a wave 4, the target for wave 4 taken from potentially is this area. We're looking here for this blue box, and regarding the timing, we are looking for the following time in a wave 4 over wave 2. So I'm looking for a little bit long range, okay? It can be long range, it can be also at the same time deep, yeah, meaning a big zigzag somehow like this, and then continuation for higher. It might take one day, of course, tomorrow starting from tonight, and we're gonna see, of course, what's gonna be the next possibility. If we take a look also a little bit closer view on KGT. So on KGT 5-minute chart, we are looking at the price moving toward the upside, invalidation of the bearish. We can see the price taking the highs here from the bearish signal, meaning of course there is no convergence downward anymore. There is of course a big divergence here, meaning of course looking for higher still, invalidation of the bearish scenario. And of course I'm still looking currently after it, of course, for a deep correction a little bit, but basically everything looks as bearish invalidated, and especially today that we took the 886, so very low possibility that we are in a 1-2 here. Of course, unless we break this area and we see further downtrend, okay, we start to talk about this. Yeah, 0.618 is not nice, of course, to have. It can be, of course, still 1-2. Don't forget, this still can transform to in 1-2 and then moving for higher. So basically, the main scenario also before I end this video in macro level, the macro level, the scenario that we are looking at here is the ending diagonal A, B, and a C towards the upside, a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. The wave 3 has to hit, of course, the blue box between 126, 120K for a Bitcoin, and of course from there I'm taking a wave 4 and a 5, even for a little bit higher, to finish here a wave C, a wave B. So the same scenario as an expanding flat might still be playing here, and then of course moving for a wave C later on as an aggressive move, of course, wave C as a bear market, a very fast bear market, and starting even a next bull run again for Bitcoin. So and of course I mentioned what I said today in the live stream. If we are very bullish here and we see the price breaking the 126 and above, if we see the price breaking this decisively, definitely we are in 1-2, 1-2, 1-2, 3, 4, 5 towards the upside for a wave 3, and for 4 and a 5 is still to be expected. Yeah, we're talking here above 150k definitely for a Bitcoin. Very, very bullish, but very early to call it. I need to break this decisively. I take it step by step. Sorry, guys. So that was it for Bitcoin. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.